Join me, let me show you how to make this soft, fluffy, and yummy Nigeria buff buff. Let's dive into it, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to another video. So we are going to make very delicious, yummy buff buff. So here we have our all-purpose flour. Okay, this is 350 gram. We have sugar. This is 80 gram of sugar. Okay, then I'm going to put pinch of salt, just a pinch. Then I will be adding nutmeg. If you have cinnamon powder, is also good, not much. Then I'm going to add 70 gram of powder milk. That's powder milk, 70 gram. So I'm going to add 1 pack of extra paste. This is 7 gram. So here, this is warm water, 200 gram of water. If it's not enough, we'll add, but we start with 200 gram. If it's not enough, I'm going to add this 50 gram. At the end, guys, I'm still going to add more water. The 250 gram is not enough of liquid, so I'm going to add, maybe at the end we'll be using like 3 to 350 gram of water. If you are using milk, you can as well use the same. So the puff puff is well mixed. We are going to cover it and allow it to settle down for about 30 to 1 hour. Pause. Welcome back, guys. This was 1 hour later. Okay, I was busy doing other things. That is why it stayed up to 1 hour. I wanted to leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, so it stayed 1 hour. So you see how it rise. So I'm just still going to give it a mix so that you see the way I'm doing it. Yes, very fluffy, very soft. So I'm going to put some here. Let's see. I'm just, I'm going to make different sizes of puff puff. So I will use spoon for some. Then I'm still going to use this. I don't know what it's called. So I'll still use it for some. And let's see the sizes. That will be better. Okay, guys. So at this time, we already have our oil heat up. So it's just time to, you know, start frying puff. So I've tested the oil and it's very okay. So time to start frying the puff puff. So if you get once you get into the oil, it will rise more. So if you don't want it to be too big, you have to be very careful with the sizes you are cutting, you know because it will rise more once it gets into the oil. So look at it, it look beautiful. It look pretty and sexy. At this time, pop pop, oh my god, it's looking yummy, yummy, yummy. I think I love this sizes. The one I use spoon. The sizes are okay, not too big, not too small. So let's just see the next step. Let's see how it will be. So here I was using kitchen scissors. Okay, this is kitchen scissors. Don't go and use your hair or whatever scissors. Use your kitchen scissors. So you see the way I'm just cutting it. uh where if you ask me, these very sizes, it came out too small for me. It came out too small for me, at the end. I was not very okay with the sizes. So at this point, we're done with the frying. So you see, for me, these were very tiny. I prefer, yeah, this size. I prefer these sizes. Guys, let me know where you are watching from so that I will send you some hug in our next video. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you. This was the final stage. I have to put in steak with frying gizzard with sauce and all that. In yummy tasty. Please leave your comment, share this video, subscribe. God bless you.